choose Hobby Japan? So when it comes to diecast models, not all brands are licensed. Hobby Japan is a licensed brand, so that's the first prop to me. And Hobby Japan stands out for not just its exceptional craftsmanship, but also its dedication to the JDM car culture, which matters the most to me and also a lot of people watching. They understand that the models that they create are not just simply toys, they are vessels of nostalgia, passion, and also the thrill of motorsports. So by choosing Hobby Japan, you're investing in a piece of history that resonates with car and loves the world around as well. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Diecast Domination. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. Happy New Year to all of you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying your lovely day, and I appreciate you guys tagging in this session. Now, today we dive deep into the heart of Japanese car culture with an iconic model that's taken the automotive world by storm. Yeah, the Toyota Supra Mk4, crafted with an extraordinary precision and accuracy. This is a 1/64 scale model by Hobby Japan. So first and foremost, the Toyota Supra Mk4 is more than just a car. It's a legend, a symbol of power and innovation that has left an indelible mark on an automotive scene. With its iconic design, impressive performance, and mesmerizing details, the tuning potential, the Supra is not just a car, it's a way of life for many car enthusiasts. So from its powerful 2JZ engine to its sleek lines and aerodynamic profile, everything about the Supra exudes excellence. Now when it comes to 1/64 scale models, let's talk about the art of replication. Now let's take a closer look at this stunning 1/64 scale replica from Hobby Japan. Have a look at the attention to detail, guys. It's nothing short of phenomenal. Each component, be it meticulously crafted disc brakes, the finely detailed exhaust, the work in wipers, or even the side mirrors, the interior, guys, this is all a testament to Hobby Japan's commitment to authenticity, as it is also a captured way of the Supra. Welcome back to the Domination Studio. Now, here we have the beautiful Toyota Supra. Let's have a closer look at the details that they have provided. So first thing first, very many brands make the Toyota Supras, but to have this sort of an intricate model takes a lot of accuracy. Let's start from the side here. Now first off, we have the amazing side skirts with the little hole here that goes on to the back of the car, kind of having like an air vent. And also we have an amazing looking door handle here with intricately detailed side mirrors, and also the entire car from the side here pops. Now the tires have the original tread marks from the Toyota Supra, and also the 6-spoke rims and the intricately detailed disc brake set inside the tire hole. You can see it clearly, guys, that they have worked extremely hard to build this model to its perfection. Now let's have a look at this Toyota Supra from the front. You guys can see the lights, the intricately detailed hood, which is the most popular amongst this scale Toyota Supra models. The Toyota logo as well, guys. Have a look at the details in the lights. Everything just pops right at you. Now the license plate have been added as a extra detail from my side because it just pops as well. Both of them are same, 81973, 81973. That's pretty cool. You can also see the windshield wipers, and also the interior is very hard to see from this angle, but guys, believe me, everything has been intricately replicated from the original Toyota Supra. Now moving into the back of the car, we have the heated lines on the rear window with interior which is also looking very nice, the windshield wiper, and also when you have a look at the rear end, guys, have a look at those lights. This is just on another level when it comes to 1/64 scale models. Now when you have a look at the exhaust and the splitter, the diffuser at the bottom, it's actually very replicable to your original Toyota Supra. This is a JDM custom model with the hood and everything just shining bright at you. Triple black paint. Now when it comes to rolling, this bad boy does a pretty good job. Have a look, guys, how smooth and nice. It rolls, and there's no, you know what I mean? There's no friction at all. It's actually very smooth and super nice. And I love the fact that this thing rolls, because I did not expect Hobby Japan models to roll. Now let's take some cinematic shots and have a look at from the very, very close angle.